Hello, my beautiful people. It's your boy Dabs Effects. This one, guys, I just want to give us a breakdown on XAUUSD. What we should expect this week. So this is XAUUSD on a daily time frame. This is daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. So what can I see from gold? Gold has been what? Gold entirely was bullish, right? Gold has been bullish, giving us high highs, high lows, equal highs, and then it dropped to selling, right? So gold changed back to buying, and then now it's changed to selling, right? From the selling, we can still see it wanted to change back to bullish. Why? Because we had a zone here for this daily time frame, right? We had a zone that break, just like a breakout and a retest, something like this, something like, let's say something like this is a resistance zone, then break out a retest, and then to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing right now from gold according to the current market structure, right? So let me just give us some breakdown like this. So from here, this is what I can see, right? This is this is a demand zone. A market came, you can see this is a break or structure from here, and the market went up, did whatever it wants to do, came back to this demand zone at the origin that caused the break or structure here, and the market has switched back to buying, right? So we have market tap into the demand zone. Let me mark out, this is the highest point market went to before market tapped in before dropping to the demand zone. So let's scale to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, at this point, you can see this is the point where market came to the demand zone. Market tapped into the demand zone and then started going to the upside. So after tapping to the demand zone, you can see it gave us the break of structure, but it tapped into the demand zone, then it broke this previous high, because according to market structure, we have a high, a low, a higher, lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then equal low. So this low, this new low fails to break below this low, right? So it gave us equal low. So after giving us a equal low, market went back up and break this previous high according to market structure. When market breaks a previous high and then comes back for a retest, market structure has changed from selling to buying. The same principle applies to the selling scenario, right? So let me see what I can actually mark out from this point. I can use this a rectangular stool at this point here as a breakout, as a breakout, as a breakout at this point, as a breakout at this point. This is the zone where market is coming back for a retest, and then we go back to the upside. Market can come back for a retest here, or can drop further back to this zone here before going back up. So either ways, we're going to wait for market to do whatever he wants to do, and then we do a sniper entry. So I can also see a trend line here. I can draw a trend line right here. So this is the trend line I can see. Right. So the trend line principle, breakout and a retest on a trend line. When market break out of a trend line like this is a trend line, right? When market break out of a trend line, we expect a retest on that trend line. Or since if it doesn't retest there, if it doesn't come back to retest around this sub demand zone here, we can wait for markets to retest here, because we had a breakout already above this point. This is a breakout, right? So if market comes back and retest here by going back up, if it also breaks below here, if it also breaks below this previous high here, so right, some people can decide to take scale to the lower time frame, take a sell back to this zone here, this demand zone here, and then wait for some confirmation, and then buy to the upside. But when it comes back here, when it taps into this previous support that turned to a resistance, Now this previous resistance that turns to a support. If it bounce here and give us some structure to the upside, so we're going to take a buy to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing from gold XAUUSD. This is actually what I'm seeing. It's pretty much very simple. So all we have to do is what, wait for markets to come and tap in there. So and then we wait for confirmations and then we take our trade. So that's all I think I have for you guys. This is what I've seen. Now this is what I'm seeing now. So we just wait for what, a breakout. It has broken out. So wait for a retest here. A retest on that zone. Confirmation and then we take a buy. Or we wait for markets to break even below, back to this point here, either this point here or even down here. So either ways, we wait for markets to come to that point and then we take a buy this point, or at this point we take our buy. But I'm looking at what market will do here, then I take a buy. So this is what I can see from gold. What do you think about this analysis? Is it actually, analysis is just based on what we can see, right? Market structure and other things, right? So I love you all. Hit the subscribe button, share, follow, and I'll keep you guys updated. Love and peace.